Hola beautiful people, this is Martha Moses. Thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. You are most welcome. If you are a returning viewer, thank you. You know the drill. I'm so glad that you're liking my content and you are part of the family. If you are new to my channel, please feel welcome. I am so glad to have you here. Please consider subscribing. In today's video, I'll be taking you guys along to Luderitz. I'm taking a road trip to Luderitz. It's going to be my first time there. I'm going to the Cray Fish Festival and I'll take you guys along. So it will be an exciting journey. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. So let's discover Luderitz together and let's also see what the Cray Fish Festival have to offer. So let's go. We have been on the road from 4 a.m. in the morning and we have to cover a distance of around 800 and something kilometers. The towns that we'll go through from Windhoek is to Rehoboth, then Rehoboth, Mariental, Keetmanshoop, and then Keetmanshoop, Aus, and from Aus we'll be in Luderitz. So it's past 7 a.m. now. We are approaching Keetmanshoop and we are going to get something to eat for breakfast and then we will proceed from here. This beautiful landscape lies between Keetmanshoop and Aus. It's absolutely breathtaking, guys. So if you do travel to the southern part of Namibia, you will love the landscapes.
Step your feet and clap your hands, move your body side to side. Step your feet and clap your hands, clap your hands and clap your hands, clap your hands and clap your hands, clap your hands and clap your hands. Pena benuna kusha horo kalire na benelulu.
are finally in Luderitz. It was very windy upon arrival. So what caught my eye upon entering the town is really the infrastructure. There's a couple of beautiful buildings that you can tell it's buildings that are coming back from the colonial era. So I can't wait to see the whole town and also take pictures by some of these buildings. So what we are going to do, or rather what we did, because I'm obviously doing this voiceover already after the trip happened. So what we did is we went straight to our apartment and then we checked in. Upon checking in, we then had to freshen up and then go to the festival. We arrived in Luderitz around 1 o'clock, past 1, before 2. So that's we went straight to the apartment and we checked in and unpacked a few things, and then we freshened up, and then we headed right to the festival. On the day that we got to Luderitz, the festival had already started like 2 days back, so it has already been going on. So we are just going to join in, and we hope we didn't miss a lot. So we got a self-catering apartment with a whole sitting room, kitchen, bedroom, full bathroom, and it has a beautiful view. And the thing that I love the most about it is it's that it's at the center of town. We could literally walk to everywhere. We could walk to the shops, we could walk to the festival, everything. So that was a bonus. So we freshened up and then we changed and went to the festival. I'm going to end this video just after the room tour. I'll continue the rest of the vlog in another video. So I'll do a part 2 of this video. please do make sure that you do not miss that video. So we are gonna head out now, but I'll show everything else in the next video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please subscribe, share this video, tell your friends about my channel. I love you guys so much, and until then, adios.